I hope that you are watching this video because you want to grow basil. Well done. In my opinion, everybody should grow basil. It's such a easy to grow plant, especially if you grow it in pots or containers. So let's start. What pots to choose? You can choose any pots, even with a pretty shallow roots. It grows well in any type of pots. Although the bigger the pots, the easier to take care of it, because the less fast water evaporates.
Fill your pot with soil. You can use any universal soil, and once done, water it thoroughly. Now you just need to spread your seeds on the top of the soil, ensuring that the seeds are not too close to each other. I'm using seeds of microgreens, but you can use any type of basil seeds. Once you finish planting, the only thing which remains is to put on the top of it a layer of new soil which was not watered, that will not only act as a cover for the seeds, but also as a mulch to prevent excess evaporation of water. Don't water after this step. The next step is to ensure that they have good environment with a lot of humidity. So in order to do that, I am using a cooking film, exactly as you see here, but you can use a propagator, a bag, plastic bag, anything where the seeds can feel comfortable and humid, and put this in a warm place on the top of a kitchen cupboard, for example, or next to a heater. In a couple of weeks, you will have your basil sprouting, where you need to remove this film and keep watering thoroughly. Basil does like a lot of water, more than many other herbs and plants. With time, you will grow beautiful basil, but don't forget that it requires a lot of light. So if it's not summer, you likely will need to add additional lighting for at least 12 hours a day for your basil to look great.
Don't forget to subscribe in order not to miss them, and also browse my other videos, which you can see in the description to this video and also in the first comment. See you in my next videos. Bye.